Good morning, kids. Good afternoon. Good evening. This is your Nair sir. This particular video is made for grade 10. The whole idea is to address the MCQ because you've got your exams coming up in the next 2 months' time. My vision is to put as many video as I can put for MCQ based questions. So let's get started with mathematics on real number. Yes, as I said, this is 410 standard MCQ real number. Let's get started. The first question on your screen. The decimal form of 129 upon 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 7 and 7 raised to 5 is, okay, the first thing that you should remember is anything which is in the range of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m, they are terminating. Okay, all other than that is a non-terminating, non-repeating number. So the answer for this question is answer C, non-terminating, non-repeating. The second question, HCF of 8, 9 and 25 is, it's a very straight simple question. There is no common factor of 8, 9, 25. Answer is 1. That is D. Let's take the third question. Which of the following is not irrational? Not irrational. If I look at A will be a rational number. If I look at A will be a rational number. B will be a rational number. But if I look at C, A minus B, A plus B, that is A square minus B square. So this will not be a rational number, whereas this will be a rational number. So my answer is C. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The answer is C. The product of a rational number and irrational number. Product of a rational number and an irrational number. Take a number, take any number, take a rational number. A rational number, I can say root 2. Take an irrational number. Oh, sorry, this is an irrational number. And take a rational number, 2. Okay. Why I call 2 as a rational number? Because I can write this as 2 upon 1, that is P upon Q form. Any rational number can be written in a form of P upon Q, is called a rational number. So this will become 2 root 2. So the answer for this, what is this coming to? This is coming as an irrational number. Okay, so that clears my question. Let's look at the answer is B. It's an irrational number. Next question. The sum of rational and irrational number. No major explanation required. You know that it is a irrational number. The next one is product of two different irrational number. If I've got two different irrational number, okay, this can be confusing. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Okay, or root 5 into root 7 is root 35. So that remains to be a irrational number. Answer is B. Next question. The sum of two rational number is always a irrational number. No big deal about that. These are all simple questions which may come. If B is equal to 3, then any integer can be expressed as A is equal to. Remember the particular lemma one. A is equal to BQ plus R. And what is the condition given to R? R has to be greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. Okay. Now, if I'm saying B is equal to 3, so A is equal to 3Q plus R. What is the value of R? R can be 0. So this will become 3Q plus 0. R can be 1, 3Q plus 1. R can be this, 3Q plus 2. And it has to be less than 3. So 3Q plus 3 is not possible. So what is the answer? 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. And do, in case if you like this video and if you think that you want to share it across to your friends and grade 10th friends, share that with them, because you know they will also get benefited. Every single mark will count. Okay, so that's the reason. Let's look at the next one. The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by. Okay, again, straight simple. What I need to do is I need to take any consecutive number. What do I get? 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 24. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. Is it divisible by 6? Yes. No common factor. This is not possible, and this is not possible. Now, in this particular case, you will say that, sir, this is divisible by 4. Now, let me take this number. This is divisible by 4. Let me take this number. This is divisible by 4 and 6. But now, when I take this number, 5, 6, and 7, see the way these things are changing. They are all positive, positive. They are still, this is divisible by 6. If I take 6, 7, 8, it is divisible by 6. If I take 7, 8, 9, so what is the most nearest one? That is, question now answer is B. Okay. Next one. The set of A is, this is something which you're going to learn in grade 11, but this is just a start for you. What is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It's a natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a whole number. So the answer for this is A, the whole number. Then comes up is, which number is divisible by 11? What is the rule for divisibility of 11? Okay, the divisibility rule is, I will write this number and minus the last number. Let me see what is this number coming to. This number comes as 144. Okay, 145 minus 2, I get 143. 101 minus 1 is 100. 112 minus 1 is 111. Okay. Which one is divisible by 11? This is not divisible by 11. This is not divisible by 11. This is not divisible by 11. Only the number which is the second one is divisible by 11. So the answer is B. Hope you are able to understand whatever I'm trying to teach you. Okay. I'll be covering approximately 15 questions every video. In one single lesson, I would like to complete around 35-40 questions. So you have got approximately around 8 or 9 lessons for your MCQ. So prepare yourself well. Answer is B. LCM of the given number x and y, where y is a multiple of x, is given by. Okay. Bit a tricky question, but then you have to go slow with this question. Y is a multiple of x. When I say y is multiple of x, what do I mean? I mean that y is the HCF. Okay. What is the rule for me? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. What is that? I need to find LCM into y. Is it, sorry, into one side, x is equal to x into y. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to xy upon x. X get cancelled. I get left with y. Answer is y. Let's see. Answer is y. Okay. Now last 3 questions on this video. The largest number that can be divided, that will divide 398, 436, 542, leaving remainder 7, 11, 15 respectively is. Now, this is a kind of question where you need to say, okay, there is one thing which is a standard rule. If I want to, if I be given a question that I want to, what should I find? Should I find the HCF or the LCM? If the number that I'm finding is smaller, I need to find the HCF. If the number is bigger than the given number, I need to find the LCM. If you can remember this particular thing, you will never get confused with LCM and HCF. And I personally know that this kind of teaching has started to you from grade 6. It is not new. But only thing is that time it was on the application level. Remember this thing? If I'm finding something, now look at this. What am I finding? The number that I'm going to find will be smaller than 398, 436 and 552. No? So the number will be smaller. So what I will be finding? I'll be finding the HCF of this number. And if the number would have been bigger, which I'll give you, come up with the different questions to it, you have to find the LCM. Okay. So find the HCF. Now in this scenario, they're telling you 398. You have to subtract this. This will become 391. 436 and minus 11. That will become 5 to 425. And 542 minus 15. That is 7 to 5. That means you have to find the LCM of 391, 425 and 527. Okay. Now easier way to find out is, okay, 425, 391, 1s are 391. What is left? 4, 3 and you get 391. Okay. I take this is 1, so that makes it 34. What is left? 5, 1. 34 1s are again 34. What do I get? I get 7, 1. And I write 34. 7 2s are 34. Now the HCF of this two number is 17. All I just need to do is I need to look for 527. So 17. 17 1s are 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. 51. 1 left. 17 1s are 17. So the HCF of this is 8. Okay. Pause the video, redo the whole thing again, and it will work for you. Let's look at. Okay. Yeah, there are 312, 260, 156 students in class 10th, 11th, 12th respectively. Buses are to be hired to take the students to picnic. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in a bus if the bus takes equal number of students. Again, the same thing which I just explained to you. There are 3 standards. The 10th standard has got around 312 students. The 11th standard has got around 260 students. The 12th standard has got around 156 students. What are they asking? They're asking, they're planning to hire a bus. And when they're hiring a bus, they need to know how many buses they can put in and what is the maximum that they can fit into one. Now, the number of students sitting in a bus will be less than all the above number. That means, what will I find? I will find the highest common factor. Okay. I'm not going to explain how to find the highest common factor. In the previous slide, I have already done that. Relook on that if you're not very clear. Okay. But for those, okay, just look at this. It is 156, 216, and 312. You can very well take 260 and 156. Solve this. Whatever you will get, find it with 312. Answer is A. 52. The last question for this particular thing. There is a circular path around a sports field. Okay. When I say circular path, what do I mean? I mean, I've got something like this. Okay. And Priya takes 18 minutes to drive one round. Let's say that I draw Priya over here. This is Priya in red. She takes 18 minutes for one round. She takes 18 minutes for one round. Okay. And Harish, let's say Harish in blue. Okay. He takes 12 minutes. And they start together. What are they trying to ask? Suppose they both start at the same point, at the same time, and go in the same direction. How much time, how many minutes will they meet? After how many minutes will they meet? After how many minutes? That means 18 is the first and 12 is the second. So the time that they're going to meet will be a bigger number. So in this scenario, I will not find the HCF. What I will find the LCM. LCM of 18 and 12. Okay. For those, I know you are in grade 10, so you should know this. But in case if you've got any confusion, check it out. Okay, it's very important. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and I've got the answer now. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. That means they will meet each other after 36. Okay, so just now you can imagine she is going to run, but she is running only 2 rounds, whereas Harish is running 3 rounds. You're getting it? That is the reason why they're saying after 36 minutes they will meet across. Okay, thank you very much, kids, for your time. Okay, if you like the video, share it across. Okay, it's every time a pleasure meeting you, talking to you, empowering you. I know there is someone somewhere, okay, who would get empowered with this video. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Cheers.